Children of God, before the time of the Reformation, there was a practice in the church known as indulgences, which in its true meaning referred to the remission of temporal punishment for sins already forgiven. It was rooted in the church's authority to bind and loose, and what was meant to encourage repentance, prayer, and acts of charity. However, over time, abuses began to arise. Some preachers presented indulgences in misleading ways, giving the impression that forgiveness or salvation could be bought. This distorted the true teaching of the church. The situation became one of the triggers of the Protestant Reformation, especially through the protests of Martin Luther. In response, the church acknowledged these abuses and took steps to correct them, particularly during the Council of Trent. The council reaffirmed the proper teaching on indulgences and eliminated the abuses connected to them. This moment in history showed that the church is capable of purification and renewal. It is not perfect because it is made up of people, but it is guided by God. As one line beautifully expresses it, people come, people go, but the church remains.